In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to the top left over here in your dashboard where it says buy crypto. And then you have a bunch of options. We're going to go through these. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, we have this buy and sell over here where you can use Visa, MasterCard, and more. So I'm going to click on here. And then from here, you'll see it's going to take you to this window where you can basically see you can buy or sell. Of course, now we're buying crypto, so switch over to buy. And then you have to select how much you would like to spend. So in my case, I'm going to go euros, but of course, you have different ones as well over here. I'm just going to use euro for now. Then I want to spend, for example, 100 euros on, and then you can select what you want to receive. You have things like USDC, and you have USDT, Ethereum, and BTC as well. So I'll just go USDC for now. And as you can see here, you can select where it's going to deposit to, and of course it's going to be funding by default, which is of course if you go to assets found over here. And then you have the payment method. You can select whichever one you want to use. For me, only bank cards such as Visa and MasterCard are available. I'm going to confirm it, and you have to of course first agree to terms and conditions, and you want to read the privacy notice as well. And if you agree, you can accept it and click on add new card. Now over here, as you can see, it's going to say you have to verify your personal info to be able to do this. So you're going to have to click on start now over here, and then it's going to take you to identification where you have to click on verify now, and you can verify your account. Okay, now I do have a separate video teaching you on how to do this, but it's actually super simple. You're simply going to have to put in the photos of your ID or something similar, and you'll be able to then get verified on your account. Now once you verify your account, you'll simply be able to add your card, hit the pay button, and you'll be able to pay with crypto, or of course pay for crypto that way. That's the first way. Then you have the option of a bank transfer up top left. Again, it's going to be the same thing over here. So as you can see, you have the option of bank transfer. Click on over here, and you can then go ahead and basically select the buy button and do the same process yet again. And in here, of course, payment methods, you'll be able to see as things like different third parties if they are available for you in your region. And you also have crypto deposits, which is not really buying crypto, that's just depositing it. So if you want to know how to do this, I do have some of course more tutorials on my channel on how to do this. And then we have this one, which I'm not going to cover right now because it doesn't have much to do with actually buying crypto. But of course here you can see this is for institutions and individuals as well who are doing large trades. Okay, so that's essentially how to buy crypto on BloFin. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.